Well, I'm back again. Today, we are going to install our Amazon special rain visor. That one. But before that, I will show you first before I put it in. There. That's what it looks like before. And here is the passenger side. Okay. So of course, I will show you what are we going to need. Of course, we need our rain visor, a microfiber towel, and of course, the alcohol that we're going to use. Take note, this one is not good for drinking, so don't drink this, okay? Otherwise, you'll be dead, okay? So I am going to install it now. First, we're going to wipe this with the alcohol. Okay, but it's hard to do it with just one hand, so probably just gonna start spraying first. There. I think that's good enough. Then we're going to wipe it to remove some grease. There. And then we're gonna start putting the rain visor. There. Okay, I will update you guys what's going to happen next. Okay, there you go. We have it pre-installed. We just fill those stickers. There. Now we're going to remove those. One. Two. Oops, it's got pinch 3. There you go. Yeah, there you go. That's what it looks like now. Okay, we're gonna keep doing it all. Then after installing everything, I will show it again to you guys. Okay, bye. Okay, here's now our final product, the rain visor installation for 2010 Acura RDX. Okay, here, and here's the other side for the passenger side. Yeah. It's not that thick, but it's good enough for the price, I guess. Maybe not. Okay, thanks for watching. Till next time, this is Broken Concept. Thanks again. Bye.